So hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to see, is a test series really helpful for exam preparation for the CA final students? So the first question is that when do you really need a test series? I would recommend you to go for a test series, okay? Only if you have a conceptual clarity and the syllabus coverage. If it is already done, then you go for test series. If not, okay, if not, I will just recommend you to go for mock exam conducted by ICI. It is going to give you the actual exam pattern, what is the difficulty level and correct time allocation for your exams, okay? And it is going to give you a real exam experience. Mock test, I just recommend at least one mock test, at least one. And if you have time, you give 2 to 3 mock tests. If you have time, give 2 to 3, or at least one mock test is very important to know the exam experience. Even if you have given the attempts earlier, then also you just write one mock test at least, okay? Now, syllabus based test, don't give the syllabus based test in the last 90 days. This is what I recommend. This is my personal suggestion. It is up to you, okay? I will say the reason why I'm saying this. Because in exam you are going to write the 100% paper. If you prepare for syllabus based, in the syllabus based preparation you will do better. But when it comes to a overall paper, then you may lag preparation, okay? You don't know how to give time for your revision. So you start thinking in the fragments and not as a complete paper. Real exams are full syllabus and not chapter wise. So this is the main reason I'm saying that you have to go for the entire test, that is a mock test for full syllabus and not a part of syllabus, right? So it will also help you to integrate the concept, help you to make revision and time management for the full paper. So this is your second thing. What is the third thing? Full syllabus test series is the best option. It is going to give you stamina for 3 hours. You know how to handle the 3 hours, how to select the question, and it is going to build your confidence, which is the weak area, which is the strongest area, okay, and where the marks are being lost. You can identify everything if you write the full paper and not a syllabus based questions, okay? So full syllabus is nothing but your real exam simulation, right? Okay, what happen if you take mock test? Okay, so what is the reason I'm saying you have to write at least one mock test is that you know how to manage your time in your exams, okay? And you know the first question you should not spend more than 30 to 45 minutes, okay? It depends on each student. So this is a time you can spend for FR first question. So you can identify your speed, your pace, okay? And it is going to reduce the fear and anxiety. If you go and sit for the first time in your exams, then you may feel fear, right? You will be having the anxiety, so that will get reduced and you may not feel pressured. And of course answer writing practice will be there and you can structure your answer better. Hmm? Now, what is the main thing you can do is that what are the conceptual mistakes you are making? Silly calculation mistakes, poor interpretation of questions. All these can be identified if you write the mock test. Now, what if you don't write the mock test? So these are the disadvantage of not writing the mock test, I would say, because you don't know how to manage your time. You may feel panic because that is the first time you are going to see the question paper. You don't know the mark allocation, so you may feel doubtful, okay? And you cannot complete the paper on time, lack of confidence and no clarity on your actual preparation level. So you don't know whether I can attend which question will come in, which question will come in the fifth, number 5 or number 6. You don't know the clarity, okay? So in FR and all you can be sure about some questions. So first question will be from business combination or consolidation. It is a big question, so you will know that once you write the mock test, okay? Yeah, this is one thing. Many students know the syllabus but they fail because the lack of exam practice, because of that anxiety, fear, they fail, okay? So it should not happen in your case. What are the key things to take care of? This is very important, right? I will read one by one and we'll go one by one. Quality over quantity. Too many mocks are not important. Write one mock test, that is also fine. But be very sure about what mistakes you are doing, how to improve, what to do. Okay? always analyze your mock. Why were marks lost? Okay, what is the mistake we did, and what is a time management problem we face. Don't get demotivated because you get a low marks. Low marks is often possible in your mock test, but that is not a matter. Just you're going to get a idea for your main exams. Okay, so don't wait for 100% syllabus completion. This is very very important. Many students wait to complete 100% of the syllabus to write the mock test. This will never happen. This will never happen. Even if you write your exams, then also you will be having some pending syllabus to study. So this will never happen. You fix a due date. Okay, in this date I will write a mock test. Till then you prepare for that exam. So whatever the syllabus you have completed, with that syllabus write the mock exam, right? So this should be your strategy, and you should not wait for 100% completion of your syllabus. Okay, now there is one question, ma'am. If I have never given mock test, I have never written a mock test, but now in 90 days I have to write a mock test. No problem, start now. It is till time to improve. You can improve. Just start now. Prepare to the level you can prepare. Okay, level possible before the mock. Then you can give the mock. Even if the preparation is not perfect, completely fine, no problem, you give the mock. Okay, yes, don't go for syllabus based test. Give only full mock test, ICI mock test. Fix your date. Okay, don't wait for ICI mock test date. You can also take the previous attempts mock test, and you can write the mock test. Fine. And don't expect high marks. If you get low marks, even if you fail, study with the full confidence. Okay, that should be. And even if you get high marks, don't feel overconfident. Okay, and analyze your mistake and improve with every test. So if you write one test, then also fine. If you have more time, go to 2 or 3 tests. Okay, so at this point of time I would recommend you to write at least one test. Fine. If you are going for only one groups, then you can also try to write 2 to 3 mock tests. Fine. Okay, so what is the final takeaway from this, whether you have to write the test series or not? Prepare as much as you can. Write the mock anyway. You have to write one mock is my recommendation. Analyze honestly what you have did. Okay, and move forward. If you want to evaluate, you evaluate either by yourself, give it to any faculty if they correct it, or you also evaluate using AI. It is up to you how you evaluate. Then you see what mistakes you did, then you can make the corrections accordingly. So guys, take it seriously. You have approximately 90 effective days, 90 effective days from now on. So prepare well, write the exams properly. Okay, stay hydrated, be consistent. We'll see you in the next video, guys. See you, all the best.